All right. So we can always do this well before we start the class, because during the class I will not be able to be reading private messages because I'll be concentrated on learning. So if anybody wants to be granted the privilege to record, let me know now before we start it.
Okay.
Yes, you're right. It's better to do it now so that nobody will be distracted.
Mm-hmm. And also just a reminder, right? If you are not want to, if you're not asking a question, it's better to just mute yourself. That way you don't have to distract everybody.
Hello, Zoe. Hello.
Yes.
Can you allow me to record too? It's Abdullah. Thanks.
Oh, I'll be like, good, no problem. You got it?
Let's see.
Hello, guys.
Yep, I got.
Hello.
I need permission.
Okay, let me.
Good afternoon to everyone.
Hello.
Please, I have a problem with my database. I don't know if I can share my screen and any of you can help me.
I don't think we haven't started yet. So, give it a couple seconds.
Zoe, please for permission to record.
To record.
Yeah,
Can I
just
have the
double check.
permission to?
Thank you.
Yeah, I just did it. Okay, let me see it. Okay.
Somehow I'm not able to.
Can I have the permission to record too?
Hold on.
So Herman too.
I gave it to Herman. Okay, Herman.
You gave it to Abdullah,
Yeah, Abdullah gave it to
Roland.
you.
but somehow it's not.
Roland, I gave it to you too.
Okay.
Abdullah.
Thank you.
Abdullah, are you able to see it?
Well, I see the record button, but when I click on it, it says ask permission. Please request
Okay.
recording permission.
Okay. All right. Here we go. Try now.
Okay. Still
So-
getting the same thing. Same issue.
So, guys, how do you want us to proceed this time? Do you want someone to, one of the students to practice manually and I tell you what to do, or you want me to do it directly from my computer?
Emerald,
Yeah.
please, I don't want to interrupt you guys, but I have a problem with my database. I don't know if I can share my screen and you see if you can solve it, please.
What's the problem?
Okay, sure.
I'm sorry, my bad.
It said not log on, that I'm not logged on and I can't do anything. So,
Okay, go ahead. Share your screen.
okay, thank you.
Zoe? Still not
Yes.
able to. Do I need to exit and come back again?
Probably. Try that one. Let's see.
Okay, let me leave and come back.
Okay, no problem.
Can you see it? Hello?
Yes, we can see your screen.
Yes, exit. Can you exit SQL?
Yeah.
Okay. Try to log in again. SQL plus base slash /sysdba. And try to start up. Okay, exit. In which environment are you in?
DNC.
No, I mean database environment.
My
Okay,
database name?
Yeah.
I mean, BNGMO.
Okay, so do a dot space or a env so we can see. Sure. Okay, good. Enter. Okay, now do sys resv.
I think I tried already, didn't I? That like that, right?
Yeah. Okay. Now kill the first one. We see shared memory ID. Do IPCRM space minus M, and then you can remove that one.
One, 3, 1, 7, 2, 7, 3.
Sure. Can I connect again?
Should I key the second one?
No. SQL exclamation mark SQ. Can I start up?
I'll buy you a wine. Gosh, I'm going to buy you a bottle of wine. Don't worry.
Thank you.
Hello, Zoe.
Yes, sir.
I'm back. You can allow me.
Another startup shutdown operation of this instance.
Go ahead.
Progress unable to log file.
Is it open? Okay, exit. Do emctl stop DB console. No, it's not underscore. It's just DB console.
Emroy,
Yes.
is it your background something is beeping?
Excuse me?
Is it your background something is beeping?
No.
Say stop.
Yeah, whatever that
Okay.
is, that part just need to put a battery in their in the fire alarm. The battery is done.
Okay, it's not coming from me. I mean, I don't think so.
What should I do next?
Okay, try to connect again.
As like startup or what?
Yeah, exclamation mark SQ. Okay, there is a no. Okay, exit then. Do PS space minus EF grep pmon.
Is there a slash?
No, there's like the bar, like this the straight bar. What do you
Mhm.
call that sign? Yeah. No, the other one. Okay, yeah, that one, right? So go back. Yeah, grep space pmon. Okay, your database is BNDMO, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you kill space -9 space 26 or 28.
That's my database.
Yeah, I know. We need to kill that instance.
Okay.
Okay, now do df minus h to see if there is a space issue somewhere. Space minus h. Okay, you're good. Now connect back to Oracle. Exclamation mark SQ. Okay, you're good.
Emerald,
Yes.
is there any particular reason why you put -9? Just want to figure out that thing.
It means kill. It's like it's to kill the instance.
So you always have to put like -1, -9 all the time. You want to kill that?
Yeah, it's -9. It's not. Yeah, it's
I think there's
definitely
still a
just
problem,
minus.
Emerald.
Okay, your database is mounted, which means that here, end of file on communication channel. So here the problem is coming from your data files now. What did you do to it, to your data files?
I didn't do anything. It was we programmed a recovering time, and I think I tried to shut down my database where the recovering was already, the process was already on, and that's why I started getting that problem. I forgot that the recovering was on, so I shut down the database and I tried showing me this, that no logon.
Okay.
Because if I show you, let me share my enterprise management so you can see.
Is it gonna work because we did EMCTL stuff?
So, stop sharing. Share my enterprise management. Do you see my enterprise management?
Yes.
You see what it says? My database instance is,
yes,
and this one too.
Oh.
Instance.
Try to go to perform recovery.
To what? Oh, this one. Abba. My friend, it's not time for you to be doing this now. Why is it doing that?
I don't think it's gonna work because you did EMCTL stop.
Eh?
You did EMCTL stop DB console, so you maybe have to start it.
I want it to show even. So it's not going to show? Oh, God.
I don't think it's gonna work. You have to do EMCTL start DB console, probably.
Emerald, are you still there?
Is your VPN connected?
Yeah.
Oh, my bad. Oh, sorry. Go back to Putty, and from there, EMC. I mean, not Putty, even VNC, EMCTL start DB console. Start it again and try to do it again.
It says unknown command.
No, it's not a SQL command. It's an operating system command.
Sorry.
Did you try to change the recovery file destination before it happened?
No, everything was already done. The everything was done. The recovering process was already started.
It's a DB console.
It's
It's
a
about
DB
DG
console. It's
console.
not
DB
BT console.
console.
Oh, thank you.
Is your database in archive log mode?
Yes.
Connect back to SQL. Shut down your database, shut down immediate. Oh, it's okay, it's already, okay, so then start up no mount. Wait. Okay, you just put shut. Start up no mount. Add the database mount. Okay. Alter database. You said that it's in archive log mode already, right?
Yes.
Okay. Alter database space clear CLEAR.
C.
Clear. Okay. Unarchived. Okay. Alter database clear unarchived. UN. UN.
Like this. Like this.
Yes. UNARCHI. D space log file space group space. How many regular groups do you have?
I got 3 and each has 3 members.
Okay, regular group 1. Semicolon, enter. Okay, now do the same thing for the group 2 and group 3.
Excuse me, guys. Can I have permission for the recording?
All right, give me a second.
Okay, how about
Okay, now shut down immediate.
Can you send your request?
yes, sir. I do wanna.
Now start up.
I'll do that.
If I let is the FNI.
Gotcha. Good.
Okay.
Okay, good. Your database is open now.
So it means I have to start back all the recovering process and do the archive.
No, it's already in archive log mode. It's just that we removed an archive log file groups, like the ones that were not archived. So you're good. Yeah.
So I don't have anything to do. The backup
No,
is
you're
still
good.
The recovering is still going to continue.
Yes.
And my archive log is still enabled, right?
It's still, yeah, you didn't disable it. It's still in archive log mode. You can check.
Okay,
Show
let's go
parameter
to,
recovery. Okay.
let's go to enterprise management. Let me try to share it and see if it works now.
Emira, please, I sent
Yes.
you on WhatsApp. I have an error. I don't know if you can easily identify it, please. So you can just check, please.
Yeah, we need to start. We actually only have like 2 hours and a half left, so we have to continue. But I'll look at it after.
All right. Okay. Thank you.
And I have something to tell you guys as well. So very important. I don't know how many people are connected.
Something nice.
Emerald,
Yeah, it's nice.
Okay.
Yeah, go to startup.
Says current status open. Operation.
Then you're good.
So I don't have to put yes, right? Because if I say yes, it's gonna shut down.
It's gonna shut down. Yes, you're good.
So I should just leave it like that.
Yes.
So let me click no. You sure you want to perform this operation? Yeah. I don't want. But why is he showing this?
You shut it down.
Open. Okay, archiver is enabled to archive a regular because the output device is full or unavailable. Okay, you don't have enough space in your FRA destination. That's why.
So how do we solve that?
You need to reconfigure your FRA, your recovery destination. Increase the size. You need to increase the size.
I thought we set it to 25. That's what I put. Should I put more than that?
You can see it for yourself, right? The output device is full or unavailable. We'll try. Okay, it's okay. It's our next. It's what we are going to do. So I don't know what you guys think. You think I should do it? Because sometimes when I do it myself, you guys said I'm going too fast. But if it's like one of you guys doing it, and I'm telling you what to do and explaining it at the same time, it's like maybe it's like slower, so it's like everybody can actually see. And also today we won't be doing it twice. We'll only be doing once. We will do maybe 2 different way of doing the same thing once, but it's still the same thing, but just done differently, right? And it's either that or the I mean, it's up to you guys. I can do it myself, but I feel like maybe it's better if one of you guys do it, because at least one of you will really get it and be able to share it with your groups. Or so what do you guys think?
Yeah, Emerald, I think it's better when we're doing it.
Okay. So the first thing we are going to do is, the second question for the exam is, let me see the question. Okay, the person who sent me the message on WhatsApp, what's the problem? It says that you were not connected as Oracle. So it's just a connection issue. You don't really have another issue than that.
But the Oracle password, I put everything exactly, but I don't know why it's still saying the same thing.
So is Oracle lying?
Do I know?
It said the error you have is that you cannot connect to Oracle. So maybe the password is incorrect.
The password is class 26, right?
Yes.
That's what I was putting. I don't know.
Okay.
But to my VNC, once I'm in my VNC, I can do everything. I can connect to Oracle, everything. But on this one, I don't know why it's saying that.
Okay. Okay, I don't know. I will look at it later. Okay,
Right.
first, I want to tell you guys something. We are like 50. I don't know if I should wait 6, but I'm going to tell you.
Go ahead.
I spoke to Zoe earlier, and he was, actually, you guys know that I sent you guys I sent to each group leader the questions. I mean, some of the questions that might come and the lessons that you guys will need to study to pass the SQL fundamental exam, right?
Yes.
And I also sent you guys some questions for the OCA that may come, right? So that you guys can practice.
The OCA question?
Yeah.
I don't know if you received it on the email, right?
Yeah, I think I sent it for either for the OCA. Yeah, I sent you guys the link for the OCA too.
The link you see?
Yeah, I sent it to you guys. I sent it to each group leader. I sent you the first one that was like the notes for the SQL fundamental and for the OCA. So I want to tell you guys that you need to take both. You need the OCA and the SQL fundamental. Even if you don't listen to people who tell you, oh, you don't need the SQL for your OCA to be granted, like you can pass it, right? But you will need the SQL fundamental to really to actually receive your OCA certification. Even though you can pass it, right, and succeed, Oracle will wait for you to get your SQL fundamentals certification, right? So you guys need both, but the OCA is basically like the most important, right? And okay, so basically, I read some issues in your groups, guys. I don't know why, but I feel like it's very unfortunate. It's not like you guys have to be together all the time. You can just be together for like a few hours a day. So if someone doesn't have a group, change your group, because you're going to need your group members, right, to do this. And you're going to need, you guys need to stick together all the way until the end. You cannot, if someone doesn't feel good in one group, please change your groups, because I cannot send it to every person personally. I can't do it. So if someone is in a group and maybe you guys are only 2 in your group, it's fine. Even 3 in your group, it's fine, right? But you guys need to be in a group, okay? So I'm going to send to each group leader. Okay, I need to first say, issue a disclaimer. Disclaimer, Prof doesn't know anything about this. It doesn't concern Prof. Like, it comes from me. You know, I had the choice to not share it with you or share it, but I feel like it's better to share it so you guys can, because you guys will still have a lot coming, right? You have DB2, you have projects to do in project on top of SQL fundamental that you'll have to take also, right? So if you can have OCA out of the way now, it would be really good. So I'm going to send each group leader the dump file for the OCA exam, okay? Which means that all the questions, there are 90 questions, all the questions that would be coming are in those 90 questions, right?
Okay.
So there are students who already took the exam, right? So they created a dump file. Like many people have it. I mean, some people might tell you that you have to pay for the dump file, but I mean, if someone already paid for it, I mean, I mean, it's up to you, but I'm going to share it to you guys. So each group leader, if you feel like you're not really part, just send me your email so I can send it to everyone, every group leader. And I also want the group leaders to talk to each other to see how they can coordinate, because one person cannot just get the dump file and do it on its own. because when you take the exam, they check the whole room, right? They check the whole room to make sure that nobody's there, nobody's around, there isn't any device around. So you guys need to see how you can work together to make sure that every single one of you can pass the exam. And for now, you guys, that exam is for, like, if you guys go and take the exam and you have those information, you'll definitely have it. You'll definitely have it, right? But the thing is, with the coronavirus, we don't know until when you will be able to pass that, to have the exact same questions, right? It's not forever. Usually it's like for like maybe 4 months or 5 months. Anyway, it's for a specific amount of time, and then they change the questions again. So these questions are actually going to come. So I want you guys to coordinate. Maybe what some people do is that they put it on because they check your system. They check that you don't have any, let's say, any file open, for example, for the dump file for the questions, right? They check your computer. So you cannot put your questions in the computer and just go back and forth. You cannot do that. So you will need another device that they won't be able to see. Maybe you put in your closet, maybe a TV projector in your closet or something. Just think about it. You guys can, like, I know you guys are very smart. Just come together and discuss it, what you guys can do. So this is the information I wanted to tell you. I'm going to say it again. Prof doesn't know about it. So don't go and say, oh, Prof Emerald say that. No, he doesn't know about it. This is just like between students, right? It's between students, because you're expected to figure it out yourself. You're not supposed to get help for anyone. I'm telling you guys. So yeah, I'm expecting the emails from each group leader, and if one student feels like he's not really being included by his group leader, you can send me your email address, but you need to make sure you have a group. You cannot do this on your own, right? Unless you want to study all the 90 questions, then yeah, you can take the exam on your own. But if you know that you still have chapter 14, chapter 15, chapter 16, and 17 to study, and you have your exam coming up and your practice, you might not have time to do all of this, right? So yeah, this is what I wanted to tell you guys today. So I'm gonna be sending it to you after this class, so that you guys can try to see how you can do it. And the exam fee is like $245. So you just pay $245 to Oracle, and then you can take your exam. It's good? Yes.
Is there any specific date for that exam?
You can take it anytime. You can take it online because of the coronavirus, right? The centers are closed. So that's why it's a very good opportunity to take it now, because when the centers will be open again, you have to go there and maybe you won't be able to pass it, right? Yeah. So because of the corona, or thanks to the corona, you can take it from home and easily pass it, actually.
Thank you.
Harold, did you take it already?
Yes.
What's the website where you have to pay for it, make the payments? What's the website?
I'll send it to you. I'll send you the information. It's Oracle website.
All right, thank you, Emma. Right, and everybody be quiet. Don't say talk too much.
Jalo, funny.
Emerald, the actual exam is how many questions?
Emerald, let's proceed.
It's like 50.
Thank you.
And it lasts 2 hours.
So are you going to be sending us the procedure so that we know how to, like where to pay the fees and so on and so forth, and we can schedule it now that there is an opportunity?
Yes, I will share. First, I'll share it. I'll share the information, and then, but you guys need to meet first. You guys need to talk about this together. like the group leaders, or even all the students. If you guys can all meet, it would be even better. But with the corona, it's not easy. You guys can all meet to talk about this and see how you can proceed. Yeah. But I'll give you guys the basic information. So.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so we good? Can we move on?
Yes.
Okay. Who wants to use his screen? We need one volunteer.
To use what is database?
Yeah, the next question is configure, let me see. Okay, the second question is configure database Florida for full recoverability. So the person who can do that exercise is only someone who already has that database, right? Who was able to successfully manually create the database Florida.
I think you did it the sample on my database. Can we use it?
Okay. If you know it's up and running and it doesn't have any issue, go ahead, share it.
Emerald, please, at the end of the class, just let me know how to increase the FRA size.
Okay, that's what we are doing now, actually.
Okay.
So maybe we can use yours instead. So you can share your screen.
With my class database?
With Florida, oh yeah, with the database. Oh no, we need the Florida. Yeah, you're right, we need the Florida database.
Okay. Sure.
But it's the same process though for the other one.
And I know I did the thing with FRA already.
All right.
Okay, since no one wants to share his screen, I'm going to share mine.
I thought there was someone sharing the screen.
I know, right? That person isn't sharing.
I can share mine. I thought someone was sharing his. Should I
Yeah.
go?
Someone who has the database Florida, can you share your screen, please?
Okay.
Thank you.
Let's see what am I doing, putty. Okay, Florida. So, okay. Hello.
Okay, yes, connect to. You have your scripts.
Uh,
Okay, go to personal scripts.
personal script. Okay.
Okay, you have table space. Now you will need to create a script, a directory for backup
Okay.
and recovery.
Backup and recovery.
That's where you put all your good scripts.
Okay.
Underscore, yes.
Okay.
Open it. Yeah. Now you create a file.
A file for.
Full
Okay.
recoverability. You can just say full recovery. That's
Okay. Any extension? Oh, that's fine. Just like.
no, that's good.
Okay.
That file is, it's always the question 2 on for DB exam, right? Set database for full recoverability. You
Yeah.
should always, every time you create a database, actually, you should always first set it for full recoverability, right?
Yes. Okay. I need to find the question file.
Do you have the first thing you do, the first script
Yeah.
would be show parameter recovery.
Okay. So I need to type that in. Do we have those scripts, right? Did we send those or? Hello?
Yes.
Do I need to type it or did you send it already?
No, I didn't send it. I want you guys, I want us to do it together. I want us to do it together.
So I show parameter recovery.
Yes. Show parameter recovery, then you copy and you paste it on your PuTTY. Or you can just enter it on PuTTY.
Alright. Copy. Okay, I need to set my environment. Huh?
Yes. So they have the people who can see the video, will watch the video, will be able to do the exact same thing. Okay.
Okay. So show parameter recovery, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Okay. So the DB recovery file destination is user1/app, but you want it to be in /oradata/FRA, right?
Yes.
Okay, and the size is
25G, right?
no. Right now the size is
Oh, right now the size is 3. I mean 4, almost 4.
3.
4 meg. Okay.
Yeah, almost 4G. Yeah, it's almost 4G. Okay. So what you will do from here is alter system.
Okay.
Set.
Uh-huh.
Alter system set.
DB recovery file.
Yeah. DB underscore recovery underscore file underscore dest. It's just the first parameter that you
The
see.
first two, right? Okay.
Yes, equals.
Slash, I'm in string, right? String.
Is that an equal sign?
Yeah, I put the equals. Yeah, it's equal sign. Oh, it's too small?
After this, we don't have the size.
That's not equal. You
No,
have
put
to
equal.
minus.
No, it's equal. It's equal.
It's equal?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It might be too
Okay.
small, I guess.
It's equal, guys. It's not minus. Thank you.
Equal. I don't know. Can you see?
Yeah, because it looks like minus from my screen.
It's equal.
It look like minus.
Yeah,
It's
it
equal.
does.
It's
Okay.
equal. It's too small. It's equal.
Can I make it bigger? How do I make it bigger?
It's equal. I can see.
Should I make it bigger?
You have good eyes, Jalo. You got
Okay.
really good eyes.
All right. So
Can you
equal.
make it bigger?
All right. All right. Where do I go here?
It's a change settings. Change settings.
Settings. Okay. And then appearance.
Appearance. Yes.
And then where do I go from here? Change.
You change from 10 to maybe 16.
16. Okay.
Follow.
10 to 16. Do I need to make it bold or it's fine?
Yeah,
Bold. Yeah, make it bold.
All right.
Because
Apply.
it really looks like a minus sign.
This is
good.
Big. This is big. Okay. It's not too big.
No, it's good like this, please.
All right. Okay, so equals Aura data slash, right?
Yes.
FRA. FRA.
Oh.
Wait a minute. No.
Actually, I can.
They gotta be the database name, right?
Is the database name before?
Yeah, database name.
No, FRA.
It's not the database name, it's FRA only.
No, it's FRA. I can see the bottom of your post.
Oh, you cannot. So I think I need to reduce it a little. It's too big.
No, it's not big. I think maybe
it's not only you, Amaro. Me too. I cannot see the bottom.
It's
yeah,
too
I can
big.
see the
It's
bottom.
I will like this. Can you see it? Huh?
It's good like that. Yeah, I
but,
can see it.
But the problem is.
But try to extend it like maybe on the right. Okay.
Let me just make this a little 14 instead of 16. I think that might help.
No, it's not it. Now it's.
No, I think it's no. This was me backing up, trying to. Okay, good. So slash. You say Aura data slash FRA.
Yes.
And then slash.
And then string. Close.
Okay.
And then scope, space scope equals both.
I'm confused. We should have a database name here somewhere.
No.
Okay.
No.
You guys,
what my problem was.
Okay.
Because as you can see right here, the first destination, because we cannot see. Okay, the first line says DB_recovery_file_des, and it says that the destination was user1/app, right?
Yes.
That was the destination, right? The first. Now we are changing the destination to the fast recovery area.
Yeah,
right?
You're right.
So it's not in your database. In your So scope equals.
Something's wrong. Missing invalid option. DB recovery file dest equal. Oh, I see Aura data. I made the error. See, when I change the screen,
yes,
the error happened there. So just do this.
Alter system set.
The MRO, I did all of this in my
database. Slash.
He asked me to reconfigure FR.
Slash scope equals both. Okay. All right. So system altered, and then now I'm gonna alter system set DB recovery.
Yes. Yeah, DB recovery file des size.
Yeah.
Elle a permis d'enregistrer.
Permission for the host to record, please.
Equals 25
25G. Okay, scope.
Equals both.
Isn't it 30?
No, it's 25.
I mean, it can be whatever you want, right? Doesn't have, okay.
Okay, system altered.
Okay, now from here, I want you to copy these two SQL statements. I want you to copy alter system set DB recovery file destination to copy that line and copy the next one, and you paste it in your script.
Okay. Okay. Can you see? Okay. All right. And then I do the same thing for the other one. Okay. All right. Done.
Okay.
And then what's next?
Okay, now go back to Puri.
Okay.
Show parameter recovery.
Come on.
Now you check, right? You should see the difference between the first and the second. Now show parameter recovery.
All right, it's there. It's there. Hello?
Okay, now we can see that it's the destination change, right? To
Yeah.
Orida and the start as well.
Yes.
Okay, now you want to create P file from SP file.
Yes.
Yes.
Why we not copy this show parameter? We put up the no script. That's why
we are going to do that. We are going to do that. Let's read two comments at a time.
Create the P file from SP file.
Yes.
Okay, file created.
Now I want you to copy again, show parameter recovery, and create P file from SP file.
Can the host allow us to recall, please? You already sent the email or the message.
Okay, done. I'm all done.
Abdullah, your first SQL statement
Yes.
in your WinSCP,
Yes.
your file, it ends with a colon, not a semicolon.
Oh, it's coming on. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, so what's next? That's it?
Oh my, but that was muted. No, now you want to shut down immediate. Shut down your database.
Shut down immediate. Shut down immediate.
Now you want to start up mount. After shutting down immediate, you want to start up mount. Startup mount, right?
Yeah. Should I copy those two keys? I mean, those two comments?
Yes. And from here, you want to alter database archive log mode. Now we are putting the database in archive log mode, right?
Yes. Okay.
Alter database archive log.
And then after database open. Archive log.
Archive log.
Archive
Mode, right?
Yes.
All right.
The FRA.
All right. Oops. Command not properly ended. Oh, is it?
No, it's archive log. That's it. It's archive log. No more.
Okay. All right.
I said after the database archive log, but I said you put your database in archive log mode.
Okay.
After database archive log.
archive log. Okay. Database altered.
And now, alter database open.
So now open it.
Yes.
And then archive log list.
Okay, database altered.
Okay, okay. Now archive log list to see if your database is in archive log mode.
Okay.
Archive log list.
Archive log list.
Yes.
And then after that you exit. Stop.
Lists.
No, it's separate.
I'm sorry, what's the archive?
No, it's archive space log space
Okay.
list.
All right.
Yeah, that is the mistake that I did.
Lists. Okay. All right.
Okay, so from here you can see that your database is in archive log mode, right?
Emerald, please,
Yes.
I have a question.
Yes.
Why this archive is separate?
Well,
from the
that's
other?
that's the command. What do you want me to tell you? I mean, that's just the command. Okay, now I want you to copy everything and then you paste it in your.
Oh, I'm sorry. There we go.
So that next time when you run that script, if that question comes on, you just copy everything and you just paste it all.
Yes.
Because you don't have any editing to do. If you notice, you don't have any editing to do. Regardless of the database, you can use that script for any database.
Okay. All right. So we good? I can save it?
Yes. I'm not seeing your script.
Which one? The one that I
Okay,
copied?
okay. Alter database open.
C'est elle qui copie. C'est la personne qui copie.
Alter database archive log list. Don't forget archive log list.
C'est lui qui copie manuellement.
I told you guys last time, archive log list. I told you guys last time, every time you make changes, you need to make sure that those changes were actually made and that you didn't forget like one data file or anything. So go ahead and archive log list.
Okay.
Okay, you're good.
All right, so save.
Save.
All right, saved. It's there.
Okay, from here,
Uh-huh.
I want you to open another database that you may have that is not in archive log mode already.
Oh, another database from Putty.
Yeah. You have one that's not in archive log mode yet?
I mean, the one I previously created that I have another one, yeah.
Okay, if you have one, open it.
Okay, so I need to exit. You mean open from Putty or from WinSAP?
Putty, right?
Okay.
SQL. Okay, now connect to SQL.
Okay.
Okay, now I want you to go to your script, right?
Okay.
Okay. First, I want to go and archive log list. Go and do an archive log list to make sure that it's not already in archive log mode.
Uh-oh. Database not mounted.
Okay, alter database.
I was playing with it. I forgot what I was doing. Uh-oh. Problem? You know what? I think I may have. I was trying to multiplex my control file. I think I may have had some issues.
Okay, do you have another database? Then we'll come back to that one later.
Okay, let's see here. Exit again.
Write it down.
And the 80 days, I think. Okay.
Je n'ai pas la place pour enregistrer et copier ici. Je n'arrive plus à copier. Je ne sais pas qu'est-ce qu'il y a.
Okay. All right. Hello?
Yes.
Yeah. So
This one is already in archive log mode.
Oh yeah. This is already in archive log mode. I think I played with it. So.
Do you know how to transfer from? Okay.
You might want to check. I don't know how you created the one that you first tried. But if you created it manually, I noticed that sometimes the TNS names, you need to copy and paste them in the operating system location, or else you won't read.
No. The thing is, what we wanted to do is that we just wanted to verification that if he runs that full script, it's gonna give him exactly the same thing, except that instead of it taking it like 10 minutes, it would only take him like 1-2 minutes. That's why I wanted us to.
I mean, can you take it off archive log mode
My
and then
question
just?
is this. Emerald, my question is this: if you create, I noticed that if you create a database manually, right?
Yes.
The TNS names, they don't read in my they don't read in the operating system.
What do you mean? It means that you didn't edit your TNS name file.
I edited them, but I had to go do it. I had to do it manually before they could all read there. I mean, I don't know if.
Of course, you have to do it manually. It was part of the script even that when we practiced last week. You have to do it manually, of course. Otherwise, that's why it's created manually.
I don't think I made my explanations clear. Anyway, well, I can explain that to you at the end of the class. But it's just something I noticed. I noticed at the end that when I open up my TNS names, those ones that we created manually, I edited them actually, but they weren't reading in that location. So I had to copy and paste in to make it read there. So.
Okay, Emerald, is there a way to take this off archive mode log? I mean, off it and then just run the script on it? Hello, Emerald.
Yes, hello, I'm here.
Now saying, can we just take it off archive log mode and then run the script?
Yeah.
Okay, how do you do that?
Okay, you need to shut down.
Shut down immediate?
Or just alter database close.
Okay. Okay. All right.
After database, no archive log.
Then no, 2 words.
1 word.
Like this?
Archive log, yes.
No archive log. Okay. All right.
Okay, now alter database open.
Okay. Oops. Huh?
What does it say? I cannot read the full
It says line 1, database has been previously opened and closed.
Okay, then shut it down. Shut down immediate. Okay, now start up.
All right. Okay.
Archive log list. Okay, it's disabled, right?
Yes.
Now, what I want you to do is change Archer system, show parameter recovery. I want you to change that too.
Okay. All right.
Okay, I want you to Archer system set. You know, you can just copy like the DB underscore recovery so that you save time.
Oh, you see DB, okay, underscore recovery file desk, okay. Equals, all right, what?
Just put slash Aura data. Just put slash Aura data. Don't forget the strings.
String, yeah. Okay.
Aura data, yes. Scope equals both.
Oh, forget it. Scope equal both. All right. And then the size also. Let me change. Should I change the size?
Yes, change the size to you put it to 5 GB. The system set DB underscore. Put it to 5 GB and then scope equals both.
Yeah, you did a mistake. System.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I see. I got you.
David, mute yourself.
Can you be
David,
yourself?
mute yourself, please.
You're not gonna have to say the same thing every time. Come on.
Okay. All right. System altered.
Okay, now show parameter recovery. Okay, good. Now go ahead and copy the script.
The whole script.
The whole script. Okay, let me read it. Show parameter recovery, alter system setting. Okay, copy the whole thing.
Okay.
And it works for every single database.
Okay. Yeah, because there's no database name there in there. Okay.
Because there's no database name exactly. You see?
Yep. Wow. It's done.
Your database in our archive log, you see how it was like 1 minute, right?
Less than 1 minute, yeah.
And then go ahead and do show parameter recovery. You see?
Yep.
So everything is done. You see, it was like 1 minute and you're done with question 2 in 1 minute, literally, right?
Yes.
So the next question is create data files, right?
Yeah. Let me close this.
And table spaces.
So create data files.
So
okay. No, go ahead.
So I was saying that if everybody does that, what he just did, you guys saw that he just did question 2 in like less than one minute, right? That was like 30 seconds. Okay, question 3, create 7 table spaces in Florida. I saw that you had a directory for table spaces already, right?
Yeah, in Florida, yeah.
Yes. Okay, go ahead to that directory, table space.
I'm sorry, on PuTTY or WinSCP?
On WinSCP.
Okay. Home.
It's right there, table space. Those are your personal scripts, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you have the big file table space script. That's good. You've been doing a good job. That's good.
Okay.
So you want to go to small file table space.
Yeah, those are all
You have
small
a
files.
small file table space. Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
those are small file. Read offline.
Okay.
Read write. Read write.
Okay.
Should I take that?
Yeah, yeah.
All right. So you can see. Can you see?
Yes. Okay. Okay. Can you put it a big screen so I can see?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. You create small file table space. Okay, data file. Okay. You only have 2 data files.
Okay, small file table space. Da, 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 da. Yeah, let me see.
Okay. So what you want to do is
I have D4. Looks like I have 4 files here.
okay.
A, B, C, D.
So you see your first line.
Yeah.
You don't need to have size 10 megabyte auto extend or next 10K max. You don't need that. You can just remove that because it's gonna make the SQL statement way too long.
Okay, so
you can remove that.
I said
You
size 10
just
auto
stop.
extend.
Yes.
Next day unlimited. I take all that off.
You take all that off, and you only write size. How big is it? Okay, 30 megabyte. Size 30 megabyte. 30 M. Just put size 30 M.
30 M. All right, so that'll be my instead of all of them. Okay.
Yeah, instead of all of that, just that would just be fine. And then you remove everything else because you have to create 7, or you have to create 6 data files and 7 table spaces.
Okay, should I type enter to go to the line to make it
You're
easy
not
read?
done. You still
No, to make it easy read or
no, just put it in one line usually.
okay.
And don't you see, like after 30 M, don't put the space.
Oh, no space before the comma?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Same for the next one, no space. Okay. You how many data file you have? 1, 2, 3.
I got 4.
Okay, you need to add 2 more.
Shoot. Open here. Oh shoot. Come on. This thing is okay, I guess I have to do. Okay. Now, unlimited logging, should I leave that there? I mean, logging.
Just remove that. You don't need that.
Thing?
Yeah, you don't need that.
Okay. Local segment management, all that. Okay. All right. So I just to create 2 more.
Yes. How many do you have right now?
I have 4.
Okay. To make it easy, right?
I need to put the numbers.
Class XS01, class XS02, class XS03. Don't worry about class XS. We'll edit it later.
Okay. 01.
Class XS02. Okay. Zero 03.
This thing is come on.
Does he need to change the database name too?
Yes, we're gonna
He'll
do
do
that
that later, but
later.
we'll do that later.
Okay, so then I'm gonna copy and then add 2 more, right?
Yes, 04, and then yes, you add 2 more.
Come on.
You can just copy two lines, right? 2 data files,
Yes.
and then you paste it and then you edit them. Yeah. Yes, you copy all the way to size 30M. Don't copy the column, the comma. Okay, you're good. Copy that and then you paste it at the end. When you create your scripts, you need to make sure you run them first because sometimes you might forget a comma or something. So you need to make sure that they actually work.
Okay. You
Okay,
say
now
we
05 and 06.
6. Okay, that's it.
Yes, that looks good. Okay.
Double check. Okay.
Okay, now let me see. Now, okay, copy that first line, copy that 7 times.
I'm
No,
sorry.
6 times.
The first
Because
line?
yeah, copy that 6 times. You copy the exact same line 6 times because you're asked to create 7 table spaces, right? So you copy the whole thing 7 times. Make sure you have 7 lines.
Okay.
Đâu mà laptop này.
Paste it. Okay, it's 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay,
7, yeah.
It's good. Okay, now can you go back to the first?
Okay.
So, okay. Now you want to change. Go to the first ATDMO, right?
I'm sorry. Yeah, ATDMO. Yes.
Yeah. Change it. Change ATDM. You replace it with Florida.
Okay. Replace all, right?
Yes. Replace all.
Okay, done. 41. Okay.
Okay, good.
And then
41?
Yeah. Because of the over data location.
Okay.
Okay.
But it should be 41.
Huh? It shouldn't be?
It should be 42.
It should be 42?
Yes.
All right, let me
7
go.
times 6, 42. So maybe you forgot 1. It should be 42.
Okay. Oh yeah, the first one.
The first one.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
Good catch.
If you get an odd number, know that something is off.
Okay, good.
Okay, good. Change the first class XX, the first one.
Okay, class XS, all right.
Yeah, and change it to Orlando. The very first one. You see, after create small file table space, class XS, the first one.
This one here, right?
No, the other one before that.
Oh, uppercase.
Yes.
Okay, table space. Changing the table space.
Yeah.
Okay.
It will also change the name of the data file as well.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
Replace. Okay.
Replace that with Orlando.
Class XX with Orlando.
Yes.
All right. That's the one, right?
Yes. Replace all.
Replace all. It's gonna replace
everything. Don't worry.
Okay, replace all. I got you. Okay. 48.
Okay, good.
But where's the problem? Wait a minute.
Don't worry.
Huh?
Don't worry.
It made everything uppercase. It made everything else uppercase.
A data file can be uppercase. It's no big deal. But we can change that later. Don't worry.
Okay, so just go with it. Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
All right.
Or you could have just put it in lowercase and it would have been lowercase.
Yeah, I think I
If
should
you
do
want,
that.
okay, you can put it lowercase.
Okay. So we're gonna replace Orlando now.
I can see your screen.
You cannot?
Oh, I can.
So I need to place Orlando from uppercase to lowercase.
Yeah, if you want, you can do that.
Okay. All right. So all of them are
The thing
done.
is, it shouldn't be 45.
Huh?
It shouldn't be 45. It should be 48.
The first one, you didn't change the first one.
The first one is the one that the first
Okay.
first one.
Okay.
But I want to keep that. I want to keep the first data file, right? The first line. Wait a minute.
Okay.
This thing took me the
No,
first.
you see, like, okay, the reason why I told you to go and change the very first, you see, like where you have class C, SSX, to
I missed
change
that.
that one.
I
I
didn't
told
do
you
that.
to use that one because anything that comes after,
Yeah.
right, would be changed, right?
Yes.
For example, if you go to Orlando 01.dbf and you change the dot Orlando and you replace all, everything before that will not be changed, right?
Yeah.
That's why I told you to go to the very first word.
You know, I missed that one.
That's because you didn't copy from there, replace from that one.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. I missed that one. So I'm going to replace that with Orlando uppercase.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now,
replace the Orlando uppercase with lowercase too.
Are you sure you did?
So Emerald, do you always have to be at the beginning of the word you want to change? Can you just be like at the beginning of the sentence and it'll work?
I just explained it, right? When you change the very Abdullah, can you go back to okay? You see, like the first Orlando, for example, right? Let's say everything in here is Orlando. If I go to the first Orlando in the first line, everything else will be changed. Every Orlando will be changed. But if I go to the second Orlando on that line, everything will be changed except the first Orlando.
Okay, so my question is, can we just put the cursor at the create and then just put in the information you want to change and then it's going to go through?
What do you mean?
Do you have to go to the exact word you want to change?
You have to go to the word you want to change, right? Okay, Abdullah.
I think if you put it at the beginning of the sentence and you type in the word down there, everything will change.
Yes. Yes, Emerald.
Okay, can you go back? Can you go back? Can you go back?
What here? At the beginning?
Okay, from here, right? It's Orlando uppercase. Now go to the second line.
You know I have a problem here.
What?
101. I need to add the 01 here, I think.
Okay.
Let me fix that.
Okay.
Fabrice Neko, mute yourself. Fabi Neko, mute yourself.
And your first Orlando is still uppercase. I don't know if that matters.
Yeah, actually.
No, usually table space is in uppercase.
Yeah, I need to change the other ones to lower.
No, you don't need to change it. You don't need to change it. Now from here, right?
Okay.
From that Orlando,
Okay.
you want to replace it. Replace it.
For the second Orlando, right?
Yeah, the second Orlando.
The second line, yeah.
The second line. You copy that Orlando. Yeah.
Okay, I want to replace it with.
Put replace all. Okay. To Tampa. Then it's gonna be Tampa.
Tampa, but I want to do this one only.
Lowercase. Tampa lowercase.
No, the table space is uppercase and then the file name will be lowercase.
Everything else would be lower. Put it Tampa lowercase.
Tampa.
Put Tampa lowercase.
Okay, and replace all.
Replace all.
Okay, so and then and then I'll come back and replace the table, fix the table
Yes.
space names. Okay, got you.
In lowercase, yeah.
All right. So that's done.
You see? So everything after that was replaced. Well, now go back.
Okay.
Okay. Now you replace that temper with uppercase, right? You can just type it. The first one you put in uppercase.
Okay. Yeah, done.
Okay. Now the next one,
Mhm.
you replace temper with the next one. You replace now temper with Miami. You see?
35. That's fine.
Yes. Now go back to the first line. Okay. Now you just edit it. You see? It gets easier like that, right?
Yes. Okay. And then.
And then Jacksonville.
Jacksonville replace.
Jacksonville. Jacksonville uppercase. Lowercase. Look, lowercase. Sorry.
Okay, Jacksonville replace all. 28. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. And then.
The next one is Winter_Park.
Winter Park.
Winter_Park.
Okay. Okay, Winter Park. Okay, replace all. Okay.
And the next one is Fort_Lauderdale.
It says Fort Lauderdale.
Yeah.
How do you spell Lauderdale? Like this?
Lauderdale.
Oh, D-A-L-E, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, perfect. Got it. Replace all. And the last one is?
The last one is, let me check. Palm Beach, Palm_Beach. So from there, you see that you can edit. So make sure you edit line by line every time you want to. So you won't have to do like all the work. You just change from each line, right?
Yes.
So that the change will take place to everything that's after. Now you can copy the whole thing and just paste it.
Can you look at it and make sure it's correct?
Yeah, let's first check. Create more file. Space Orlando did a file. Already after Florida, so Orlando is one. Size 30M, already after Florida is one. Okay. Can you move on to the next?
The spaces are fine, right?
Yeah, the space, it should be 30M. Can you go on to the, okay, CBF, size, DBF, okay, size. Okay, it looks good. It looks good.
All right, so it's 6, you say 1, 2, it's a 6 file per table spaces, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Now copy everything and paste it. Copy the whole thing and paste it.
All right, paste in.
On Puri.
Yeah,
Now, two people were saying something, but I wasn't. What did you guys say? I mean, I heard like someone was asking a question, but I wasn't. Okay, now paste it from there. Okay, go ahead.
Enter.
Yes.
Oh, actually it's working.
One, two, three, four, five. Two more. Okay, so we should have the table spaces.
Okay, we have
Orlando is here, Tampa is here, Miami is here, Jacksonville is here, Winter Park is here, Fort Lauderdale is here, Palm Beach is here. And you're good, you see.
Yes.
So let's say for the exam, right, you just come and you edit it quickly, right, in like 5 minutes, you're done, and you just copy and you're done with question 3 in like 5 minutes, right?
Okay. Yes. Okay, so that's.
So you save those scripts. Usually you're told to do the same thing. Usually it's like 7 or 8 of 6 table spaces. Now the next question is create a temporary table space in Florida called flow temp.
Flow temp. Okay, temporary table space. I was good.
Yes.
It's gonna be read write, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I mean, you know how you name your script, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so something's missing here. Let me go back to the other one.
Here.
I'm gonna copy this to.
Make sure you save it, right?
Yeah, so now I was just copying voice 2 line. I don't need to. The select name from these table space and v database to display after. I don't need to add those 2 lines.
No.
Okay, that's all right. All right, so create small file temporary table space.
Edit it. All the to extend management, you don't need that. You can just delete that.
How many files do I need?
And you don't need, I mean, it's up to you. It can be 1 file.
Oh, shoot. Okay.
But if you put 1 file and you shouldn't put small file, right? You can just put temporary table space. But you can put 2 as well. It's fine. It doesn't specify the size. And
I shouldn't put create small file temporary table space at the beginning?
Yes. Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, I copy that. Okay.
You can remove the extend management, all that.
All right. So I don't need uniform size 1 mega. Okay, extend management. Now what's the size?
It can be 10 megabyte, whatever you want.
No, in the question says what? To create a.
That's what I'm saying, that the question doesn't specify. It just said create a temporary table space in Florida called flow temp.
Okay,
so the name of it's called flow temp.
Flow temp, okay. So now that I'm gonna go and change the name.
Create small file temporary table space flow temp, okay. FLOTEMP. So where you have flow temp is uppercase.
Yes. Okay. Is it flow underscore temp or flow?
No,
temp
it's flow. It's one word.
One word. Okay, flow temp.
Yeah. Okay. Flow temp. Okay. You know the advantage of copying.
I need to change the name of my. Oh, I forgot that Florida.
Yeah, to your database. You know the advantage of copying the word directly and replace is that you don't have to re-enter that word again because that word would already be ready to be replaced. So you only have to write the word that needs to be replaced to. You know what I mean?
Yes.
So that's why we just copy the word and then you replace it. Okay. So create small file temporary table space flow temp Florida flow temp size. Okay. Save. Radida flow temp. Okay.
Remove the space before in between the 10 megabyte and the.
Yes, remove that. This. Okay.
Okay, that's the only one, right? Okay.
Now you need to put select name from VDollar temp file. Select name from VDollar temp file. Because the data file, it wouldn't appear. No.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy stamp $V temp file, right?
Yes.
Like that or underscore?
It's fine. It's fine.
Okay.
It's uppercase, but even lowercase would be fine. Remove data file. You can put select name from VDollar table space, but not from
So select name from
$10 temp file. Yeah, that's good.
Okay, and there's there. That's
And
it.
you save. Yeah,
Save.
that's
Save.
it. Save it.
All right. Copy and run.
Yeah, copy and run.
Uh-oh. Something wrong.
Invalid.
Let me see. Create small file. Let me see. I cannot. Can you show your script, please?
Huh?
I want to see your script. Can you show your script?
Here we go.
6:39.
Okay. Create small file, temporary table space, flow temp file, raw data slash database name.
Stem file has to be uppercase.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Table space. Oh, I mean, okay. I see what you mean. Some other. Should we look at the error?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to see. It's definitely a typo issue. So let's see.
Oh, it is. Okay.
Small has 2 L.
Small?
No, small is supposed to have 2 L.
Small file, temp, table space, float temp file, data, size.
Let me see.
It's an invalid character. Okay.
Yeah, let me see.
Invalid character. There's some. Okay. Invalid character.
There's an error somewhere. Let me try to write it slash. Float temp. Okay. Can I see the error? The error it gives?
Here we go.
Invalid character. Did you copy the semicolon? Yes.
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 Here. Select name from V.
What do you have selecting from VDollar data file? It should be from VDollar
Yeah, I
table
don't know
space.
why. From VDollar.
Size equals to 10. What about the equal sign?
Let me try it again. Copy. Same thing.
Okay, let me see. One moment. Let me type it down. Because you shouldn't get this error. It looks fine to me. But there is a typo somewhere.
But why is it? this line.
It's a typo. Let me try to issue.
I think the quotation on float term is is double. Maybe you could take out one
Float temp, but that's the name of table space. You think that's the problem?
I think that's how I'm thinking though.
But the table space, if you look here, like the table space usually got two double. You see the screen?
Put an
Highlighted.
equal sign on the size. Size equals to 10.
You say size?
Size equals to 10. Put an equal sign.
Yeah, I was talking about size.
Okay, let's type it again. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Okay.
Type it or copy? Type?
No, type it again. I'm going to detect you what to type.
Oh, okay. So just type.
Yeah.
Okay.
Delete what you wrote.
From
and then
so in WinSCP.
Yeah, on WinSCP.
Okay. So create small file.
Okay. Create temporary table space.
Oh, I get rid of a small file.
Yeah. But normally even with small file it should work.
Create temporary table space.
Even with small files it's fine. Okay. We can do let's do small file. It should work too. Okay. Create small file. Create small file.
Yeah.
Temporary.
Okay.
No, I want you to delete everything and then you type it again.
Okay. All right. Create small file temporary table space.
Temporary table space.
Flow temp.
Yes.
Temp file.
Flow temp space temp file. Open the strings.
I thought Emirate said term space phi, not mixing term and phi.
I'm sorry.
No. It's temp file. It's temp file.
Okay.
It's okay. So slash oradata slash florida slash flow temp 01.dbf.
dbf size 10m, comma, same thing, slash oradata. And 02 dbf.
Okay, create only one data file instead of
only
two.
one? Okay.
Yes. Put only flow temp that one. Okay.
And then
semicolon.
That's it.
You've already mixed a colon now.
Or maybe you did. I think maybe your problem might be that you forgot to put.
What, colon?
Okay. No, go ahead.
Okay, I'm gonna
Okay,
should I
go
delete
ahead.
this or you just leave it for now?
Leave it. Copy.
Okay.
Copy.
Okay.
Forget to close the string.
I forgot to close the string.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you. All right. So we good?
Yes.
All right. Thank you.
Moment, guys. Give me 1 minute.
What? What's going on here? Oh. I say copy this.
Okay, I'm going to. I don't know why it doesn't work for you, but can you go back to your script and let's type
No,
it again?
should I enter here?
Yeah, enter.
It was first created. It worked this time.
Okay. It was created right now. Select name from VDollar temp file.
Bingo. It's good.
Okay, now go back to your script.
Okay.
Okay.
The first line worked.
Create small file temporary table space temp file. Start ready that, temp file 01 DBF. Copy that line again. What does that line looks? Copy that line again.
Which one? The first line? The first
Actually,
one?
no, you have to change the name. Can you change? This is just for practice.
Okay.
Because you can add two data file. I don't want you guys to think that you can only add one.
Oh,
so,
okay.
Can you change flow temp to flow temper? Can you put a name and a at the end?
Okay.
At the end?
For I mean, should I get rid of the second line or no?
No, don't get rid of it. I want
Okay.
you guys to see that you can actually create two as well. So I want you to put flow temper instead of on the second line. Flow instead of flow temp, let it be flow temper.
Oh, second line here, right? Flow instead of flow temp.
Yeah.
Flow temper.
Yes, flow temper.
Flow. Like that, right?
Yeah. Okay. Okay, create small file temporary table space. Flow temper.
Okay.
Temp file / aura data / Florida / make sure there's a space aura data semicolon. Okay. Now copy that again and try to run it.
Okay.
It's a semicolon right at the end. Yes.
At the end there is one. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Copy. And then you say run it.
Yes.
Hello?
Enter. Yeah, it's created. I don't know what was
it's created.
Yeah.
I think maybe you didn't put the space between the comma, the first comma and the other one.
But, this is the first other line that we have. Okay. I mean, we didn't do anything different. We just changed the name.
Okay. Well.
It was a computer glitch or something. Okay, so we can create more than one file.
Yes, honestly, sometimes it does happen. Yeah, you can create more than one file. That's why I wanted us to do. I wanted us to do that so that you guys see that you can even create 10 files if you want for temporary table space.
So I'm
yeah,
gonna
sometimes it happens with PuTTY. Even though it's the right SQL statement, it will act up, like give you the wrong SQL state, tell you that it doesn't work. So sometimes you have to issue it twice.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. In case it happens.
So you're good. So we're good with that question.
So I'm gonna delete the first line, then keep my second line.
Yes. Or you can just keep the first one, whatever you want. But or you can keep both, but keep one.
Flow temp. It says flow temp, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Get rid of the temper. Okay. All right. So that's what's next? What's the next question?
Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is multiplex, control file, and Redolog files.
Oh, that's where my problem is. Okay. So
there are two ways to multiplex. There are two ways to multiplex. You can multiplex directly in the control files, in the P file, or you can multiplex by altering the system. Altering the database.
In the P file.
Yes. We'll do it. We'll do it. So
Okay.
you can go back, personal scripts. Go back
Okay.
to the personal script directory.
I'm there.
Okay. And from there, you create the directory multiplexing.
All right. Okay.
Right? Then
Yes.
click on multiplexing. And then you create the control file. You can just put a name it control file.
Control files. Okay. All right.
Okay. So in the assignment, you are told to multiplex the control file in Florida. You're told to multiplex 7 control files, right? So you're told to add 5 more control files, right?
Okay.
First, select name from VDOLA control file. That's the select name from VDOLA control file.
That's it, right? Or it's one word.
No, it's one word.
All right, here we go.
Okay, so you see you only have 2, right?
Wait a minute. Right now I'm not in Florida. I need to go to Florida. I need to point to Florida. All right?
You're not in Florida?
Huh?
You're not in your Florida database? Oh, yeah, you need to go to Florida.
Sure. So everything we did there, I mean, what you did earlier did take effect in Florida, right?
Yes.
It's good to rerun. So I need to point to Florida.
So all this time you were not in Florida?
No, you remember we went to no, I did point to Florida though. But I don't understand what happened.
Wow. No, you were not in Florida.
No, you remember I pointed to Florida. I didn't?
When? I don't remember. But
oh,
you're not in Florida. So this is problematic because those files we just created are part of your other database. They are not part of the Florida database. Even though they are located in the Florida live location, they are part of ATDEV database.
Oh, shoot.
So you're not in the right database.
All right, let me exit and.
You remember the time when you was trying to do the archive log? You changed the environment, but you didn't change it after.
Oh, I didn't.
Yeah, that's why.
What am I doing here? Exit.
Yeah, anyway.
Oh, space. I forgot.
No, you didn't write in. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's right. I'm not in Florida. Oh, shoot. Florida.
You'll have to drop all those data files, all those table spaces.
I can do that later. I can do that from WinSAP, right?
No, never. You have to do it from your from SQL. I'll drop table space included content. So it's going to drop the table space and all the content.
Oh, so before changing it, I should do that.
But never do that in Florida. It's going to give you problems.
You mean from WinSAP?
From WinSAP, yes.
Oh, okay.
Hello?
All right. So now should I drop them first, or should I go to Florida and keep going?
Let's drop them first.
All right. So I stay there.
Yes.
I think it's important next time, really, like before we even start creating those files, to actually check which database we're in. That way you avoid the mistake.
Yeah, I thought he was already in Florida.
Yeah, I wasn't too. Okay, so all right, so
okay, connect to SQL. Yeah.
All right, and then how do you drop?
First, select name from VDOLA data file.
Wow.
Okay, so the command is drop.
Everything is in here.
The command is drop table space.
Okay, drop.
Table space.
Table space.
Palm underscore beach.
Oh. Underscore beach. Okay.
Actually, first, go back.
Delete?
No, do select name from $3 table space.
Okay. Okay. Oh yeah. All right.
Okay, drop.
All of them, huh?
Yes, drop table space. The SQL statement is drop table space.
Yes.
Now start copying from Orlando. No. Copy only one at a time. Just Orlando. Okay.
Space or comma?
Space. No. Space. Including. You have to drop them one by one. Including.
Okay.
Including contents. Contents and data files.
Contents and
data files.
Data files. Like that?
Yes. Semicolon.
Okay.
Okay, now you do the same for the other ones.
Okay, drop table space. Orlando, Tampa.
And it's the same SQL statement for the temporary table space. If you don't include including contents and data files, if you don't include data files, then it would then delete the data files physically. You have to go and delete them physically.
Okay.
And if you just go and delete the data files, the table spaces would still be there logically. So it's going to give you an error that the table spaces are missing. So you need to have to drop those table spaces anyway.
Okay. All right, they're all dropped. Okay, they're all dropped.
Okay, now connect to Orlando.
All right, so you say Orlando?
Connect to Florida, my bad.
Florida, okay. So exit.
I mean, that's good. At least now you know how to drop a data file, a table space.
Yeah. Florida. Okay. All right, so I'm Connected.
Okay, now connect to SQL.
Okay, done. Now I'm gonna run that.
Yeah, run the two scripts you had. The creating data file scripts. The first one, yeah, the table space and the temporary table space.
One, two, three, four.
3 more. 5,
6,
6,
7.
7.
All right.
Good.
That's
Now the
it.
next one, the temporary.
This time it'll work. Again?
That error again.
Error happened again.
Run it again, copy it again. Sometimes it does that. Copy it again. Run it again. No. I'm saying that do the same thing twice on Puri.
Yeah, I'm gonna copy. All right, so
Again.
it's
Copy it
doing,
again.
it's doing the same thing.
I know, copy it a second time. Like, no. What I mean is what you just copied, right?
What I just
Copy it again.
from Putty?
Yes.
Okay, create small.
Sometimes it will give you an error twice, and then the second time it won't give you that error.
Okay. Enter. I'm still getting it.
Go ahead, copy it again.
Now it's created.
Okay. No, sometimes it does that. Sometimes it doesn't work the first time, and when you copy the same thing twice, then it works.
Okay, from Putty, but you have to do it from
what can be the cause
No,
of?
even from the even from WinSCP, if you had copied the same thing twice, you would have seen that the second time it would have worked.
Okay.
You see, sometimes it does that. I don't know why, but sometimes it does that.
Yeah, it looks like it worked. All right.
Okay.
So now we good. We can close it.
Yeah, we're good. You can close this. Now we can go back to multiplexing.
Okay. All right. So multiplexing.
The first thing is select name from VDOLA control file.
I need to type in, or should I put in the control in the WinSCP?
Put it on both, but put it first on Puri.
On Putty, okay.
On SQL, yeah.
You say select.
Select name from VDOLA control file.
There you go. Or data. Go with that. All right.
Okay, so you can see that here you have two control files. There are two ways to fix that. The first way is from control files. The other way from P file. The other way is doing it by altering the system.
Okay.
Now I want someone else to be able to do the second type, but let's first do it with the way that
We're altering the system. I want to do that.
you want to alter the system.
Yeah, because and
No
then someone
problem.
else will do your.
If someone else will do the other one, okay.
So what do I
So
do?
the SQL statement for that is alter system.
Set.
Yes, set control files, control underscore files.
Control files equals.
Now the path.
As a string, right?
Yes. Open strings.
Path.
Now you can just copy from there.
Just
Yeah.
copy from here.
Yeah. Copy.
Scott, mute yourself. Scott, mute yourself.
Okay.
God, really?
Space comma, right? Oh,
Yes, comma, no space, just comma, then space, the second one. Yes, space,
copy again.
comma. I would advise you to copy all the way to Control 0 so that, you know, go back.
All the
Open
way
strings,
from,
and then
yeah, from open string.
from open string and copy from control and all the way until Control 0. Then don't copy Control 002. Yeah. Now
Okay.
you paste that.
0203.
Yes.
That's
CTL.
CTL, and then
Close strings.
paste.
Okay, now you do that all the way until Control 07.
04. That's CTL. Right. 05, that's CTL.
Someone else get ready to share your screen. Thanks. That's CTL. Close strings.
And then the last one.
Control 07.
07, close string. And then
Space scope equals SP file.
okay, that's it. Enter, right?
Yes.
What?
Okay.
But I was having issue trying to do that with the other database that I had. I don't know why.
Really?
Yeah, my OBDMO and then the ATD dev. Okay.
From here, shut down immediate.
Oh, shut down immediate. Should I copy? Let me copy the script first.
Yeah, copy first.
So what you did first, you
Copy select name from $VDollar control file.
Okay.
Okay.
Oops.
Copy it.
Come on. Okay.
You already have some good scripts, Abdullah.
Yeah. Okay, so, and then alter all the way here. That's it, right?
Yes.
Paste. Enter. And then
the next step is,
and then I need to confirm, right?
yes.
And show
It's just shut down immediate.
Oh,
The
shut
next
down
step
immediate
is
first.
yeah. Shut down immediate.
Okay.
Amber, you don't create the file, the P file, I mean.
Yes, you can do that later, right?
Yeah, copy, create, do the P
It's
file.
already, because it's from the P file that the changes are going to take place. So from here, you CP, copy Control 01 to all the 7 ones. So you
I'm sorry. You say what?
exclamation mark.
Okay, but so instantly shut down. Okay, while it's shut down,
Yes.
right? While it's shut down,
Yes.
right? Okay.
Yes.
So
Exclamation mark.
Yeah, CP.
CP.
Space or no space?
No space. CP. CP space. The first one /Florida/Florida/Control01.ctl.
Okay.
Now copy. Okay, space. Now you copy start from Control 03, right? That's CTL. You
Okay,
copy it to the Control 03.
Control 03. Okay.
Yes. You could just have copied the control 03 that's already
Oh yeah,
up on the
you're
screen.
right. We are copying it to Control 03. Okay. Oh, did twice. Oh, come on. No, he did it twice. I'm backing
Okay,
up.
do it one at a time. Yeah,
Okay, that's it.
Okay.
All right. So semicolon.
Go ahead. Yeah. No, that's it. Just copy, enter.
Enter, right?
No semicolon.
Oh, but it works, right? It works too.
Yeah, it works, but you don't need a semicolon.
Okay.
Can you do the same thing? You can copy the whole thing and says that you just put 4.ctl at the end.
Don't do that.
Emerald.
Yeah.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I want to find out, is it a must that we put the mark in front of the CP before copying?
Oh, yes, because you're in SQL. I mean, try to do it without the colon. You see, it would say comment not found.
Okay,
or unknown
so if we're doing
comment.
it on SQL, we have to, but if we're doing it on Oracle,
Operating system, you don't need to.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you very much. Thank
I
you.
did it without it didn't work.
Thank you.
Okay, Emerald, I have a question.
Sure.
Okay, so must you have
Right.
01 and like he has 01 in all scripts? So must you have that?
What do you mean? It's either 01 or 02, right? Because 01 and 02 are identical. So it has to be either 01 or 02. Or since you just copied to 03, can be 03 to 04, right? But usually you just put 01 because you want all the files to be identical, right?
Okay, thank you.
But it can be 01 just like it can be 02. It's fine.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, from here,
Yes.
from here you start up.
Start up. Okay. Okay. So startup. So you do the copying while the database is shut down, right?
Excuse me?
I said you do the copying while the instance is shut down.
Absolutely. Why?
Okay. Huh?
Why?
Because you it affect the control. You manipulating the control file, the initialization parameter, right?
No, why does it need to be shut down? Absolutely.
So that it can actually take effect.
No. Other than that, but that's not why we copy it.
It's a dynamic parameter, right?
Oh,
No.
you
It's not because of that. It's not because of that we need to shut down to copy.
Maybe that was my problem with the other ones.
Or is it static?
No, it's
not really
definitely a static parameter, but it has nothing to do. The reason why we copy is because of checkpoint. right?
Exactly. That's what I was saying.
We know that incremental checkpoint takes place every 3 seconds. So if while you're copying, right, the SCA number of a control file is advancing, then the control file you're copying from will be inconsistent than the one you're copying.
Oh, okay. I think that was my problem. Okay, that was my problem.
I had that problem too. So if you do a shutdown abort, you're not gonna have the you want it's still gonna be inconsistent, right?
Hey, abort.
Yes.
You need to start up normal.
Yeah, it needs to be a consistent shutdown.
Makes sense.
All right, so start up from here, right?
Yes. And then
okay.
And from here, select name from VDollar control file.
Bingo.
Good, right?
Yep.
So that's how you do multiplexing. Then there's another way to do it. Who wants to? Oh, create P file from SP file. I'm sorry, create P file from SP file.
Okay.
Make sure you create a P file from SP file.
Now, after doing that, I need to shut down again, right?
No, you're good.
Okay.
You're just changing the P file. Okay, that's it. That's it. It's multiplex.
Thank you.
Now, I want someone else to share their screen so we can do the second way of doing it.
Paste. Let me share mine. Stop sharing.
Whichever is easier for you, just do it.
Are you finished? Yep.
Yeah, he's done. Someone else can share his screen. Who's that? Is it still Abdullah?
No, I left.
Okay.
That's someone else.
Okay, that's Guy. Okay, Guy is sharing his screen.
I would say, me, I don't really talk with you. I will tell you for you.
Rod, I'm sharing my screen.
Okay. Now go to Pudi.
Okay, I'm a Pudi. We want to exit from here.
Yes.
So let me get on.
Connect to the Florida database.
Ouvre plutôt l'autre là, tu fermes ça. Attache celui-là, tu fermes celui-ci.
Guy, on peut t'entendre. Hein?
Exit is 1T.
What are you, Ali?
Close that WhatsApp window. Close that WhatsApp window.
What are you?
I don't have my tab is not the name is not Florida.
Okay, someone who has the Florida database, please. Because we want to use it from the example Florida. That's why we want someone with the Florida, because you're doing the assignment, right? The exam together. So someone is the Florida database. Sorry.
Just share.
Okay, let me unshare.
Jello, share.
Someone share, please.
If nobody's going, should I go back, Emerald?
Just go back since people
Anybody
don't
with
want
the
to
Florida
practice.
cannot come on. Like anybody
I
with
can
the
do Florida too.
make enough share.
Yeah. All right, I'm
Since
back.
people don't want to do it, let
Yeah,
him go back.
I'm
I
back.
mean, it's good practice for him though. Like
I'm back on.
you guys don't want to take advantage of it. So.
I'm back on.
Okay.
Go ahead, Abdullah.
All right. So what's the next step?
Okay. So the next thing is, since it's already multiplex.
Yeah. I can add 2 more.
Yes, you can. So let's go to. Actually, you can bring it back to normal.
Oh, how do you do that?
And then use your.
Here.
You use your script to bring it back to where it was. So are you connected?
Yeah, I'm connected. It's Florida.
I can see us. I can see us. Okay.
Oh, and let me go back. Let me make it bigger again. I change the settings. Too big for me. I think 14 would be good. Hold. Right. Can you see that?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So, what do I need to do to go back?
From here, what you want to do is shut down immediate your database right away.
All right. Enter.
Enter. Okay, exit.
Okay.
Now CD. You change direct CD space Oracle Home /DBS. /DBS.
Okay.
DBS.
List?
Yes, listed.
Ooh. Okay.
Now you want to view the P file for Florida, right? So VI init Florida.aura.
Init
Florida.aura.
Via init Florida.aura. Okay.
Yes.
Bingo. It's on. Can
Okay.
you see?
Now, yeah, click on I to edit it.
Insert. Okay.
Now go in your control files parameter. You see where it is? And then you delete all of them until Control 2.
Okay, all those until Control 2.
Or Control 3, whatever. Yeah, let's do Control 3 instead.
Come on.
Okay, you have to start from the beginning and go all the way. Yeah. Okay, now delete. You can stop at Control 03. That's it here.
Okay, we keep Control 3. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Done.
Done. Save.
Escape.
Make sure you save. Escape.
Yes, I'm about to save.
Column WQ. Yeah.
Work. Save. Enter. Okay, perfect. All right.
Okay, now you want to go to CD space /Aura data /Florida.
Oh, you dummy.
Okay. Enter.
Okay, now you want to list it? Yes.
There we go.
Now you want to remove RM. You can copy. I mean, if you wanted to add maybe it might have been better to add one, but
add
just
one.
remove it because it's the same. You can just remove or add, right, to multiplex. So you can remove RM space space control 04, control 05, control 06, and control 07.
That's it, yeah, right?
Yeah.
Actually, I should have just done the. Okay. Control 0. I can list them space, right? Remove all of them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, space. You can just put space. List all of them.
Okay.
You forgot control 04.
Oh yeah, you're right. I can put it after, right? I don't need to put it.
Yeah, you can put it after. It's fine.
Okay. All right, all set.
Enter. Yeah.
All right, done. List again, or it's okay.
So I want to specify that it's the same copying. Like if we were adding more control file, it would have been CP instead of RM, right? So it's the same, just like here we are removing. Okay. So it also shows you how to remove maybe if you put too many or the wrong files. Okay.
So
And
now we do this from the operating system. We have one.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Or you can also do it from SQL, but make sure you put a exclamation mark.
Exclamation mark.
Now
Okay.
connect to SQL.
All right. You don't need to. Okay, verify SQL. Okay. Connected. Connect to an idle instance. Startup.
Create SP file from P file.
I don't need to start up, right?
No, create SP file from P file. You shouldn't start up actually.
Okay, create SP
if you try
file.
to start up now,
Oh,
it
you're
will
right.
give you a name.
You're right. Yeah. SP file from P
P
file.
file.
Yeah, verse.
Yeah.
And, oh, okay. File created.
And then start up. And then select name from VDOLA control file.
Yeah,
See, you only have 3.
All right.
So
now,
that's the second way of multiplexing.
Now I need to multiplex to 6 to 7, right?
Yes.
Okay. The second way, you say you're using WinSAP?
Use your script, the script you have.
No, we did that already. No, the second way of doing it.
No, that was the second way of doing it. We multiplex already.
Oh, I have more. We want reverse.
Okay, so you want to do the same thing, but by adding using the same method?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. Then shut down immediate again.
All right.
Exit SQL.
Okay.
Now, what you want to do is cd/Oracle home
DBS.
/DBS.
Actually, I did that before. Wait a minute. Oh, no. That's not what I meant to do. CD Oracle home DBS. Okay. From there. And then I go to init, edit the.
Yeah, now you want to edit that too.
I init Florida P file. So we edit the P file, insert, and then I'm gonna add. I can just copy and. Okay, so. Yeah, there's no space here.
Okay, so from here you want to add all the other ones, right?
Yes.
So yeah. Control 04, control 05, control 06, and control 07.
Actually, you know what? This is 0,
4.
4, comma. Oops, I put the comma 4.
Yeah, control 05.
And 07. Okay. All right. That's it, right? Confirm. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. All right. So exit and save work.
Okay, is it? Wait, let me check. Okay, go ahead. Save it.
Okay. All right. So that's done. We should change the P file.
No. You
I mean
CP. CP. You go to oradata/Florida.
Now
right?
we go to CD
/Oradata
Florida, enter, and I'm listing here. Oh, sorry, LF lists. What am I doing? Okay.
It's a lowercase list. Okay.
Yeah. So I can see here that I only have three
Yeah. So
three
you want to
control
CP.
files.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna CP
From the first to the other ones.
actually I could have done the whole. Oh, come on. Okay. So since I'm already in the directory, I just do CP here. CP control 1 and then, oops.
Control 4.
And then I'm gonna do 4.
Yes.
Now.
Yes.
I can do multiple in the same line or no?
No.
Okay. All right. So enter. And then the same thing again. 5. Enter. Same thing to 6. And same thing to 7. Okay. So that's done. Now I do
Okay.
SP file.
Now connect to SQL. Connect back to SQL.
Start on idle instance.
Now create SP file from P file.
All right, done.
And then you start up.
Start up. This seems to be a longer way, right?
This is the longer way?
Yeah, the other one is faster than this. When you have a script already.
Yeah, when you have the script already, yeah. But the other one is like you're sure that it's going to work. That one.
Oh yeah, you're not sure.
Okay.
All right.
So we're good.
So, in summary, the other way is to change the P file.
Yes.
The P file.
Change the P file and then copy it and
then copy the files in the directory.
Yes.
And then synchronize the initialization parameter file.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So those are the two ways.
But when you deal with control
the
file, you
second
have
way
to
is usually in case the first method fails, right? Then the P file won't fail you. Usually, if you're able to edit your P file correctly and just copy, it should work fine. Even if you messed up with the first way of doing it.
Okay, cool. Thank you. I think then I can solve my problem with the other databases. All right. Okay, so what's next?
I think the next question is multiplexing the Redulog files.
Okay. So I go to a multiplex.
Multiplex the Redulog file in Florida. So you want to create that.
This multiplexing, we did the control file, now the other one is Redulog.
Yes.
What should I do? Should I do underscore?
Yeah, it can be underscore or just one word.
All right. Redulog. Okay. In Florida. So what's the next step? Hello?
Hello?
Yes.
Okay. The first thing is to select the status from, select all from VDOLA log file. Select all from VDOLA log file.
Select all from VDOLA file, okay.
Yes, so you can view all the files, okay. So you only have 3 files. You have, and 1 member per group, right? You have Redulog 1, 2, and 3.
3, yes.
The other SQL statement you can issue is select group hashtag.
Select group. Oops.
Okay, the other one is select group hashtag select space group.
Space hashtag or?
Hashtag. No, just hashtag. Comma.
Space? Oh, no, comma, no space.
Space, comma. Status. No, go back. Comma and then space.
Status.
Status. Space. Sequence. Hashtag.
Oh, I need to status commas, right?
Comma space, yeah.
Sequence.
Sequence number, sequence hashtag.
It's a sequence.
No, sequence hashtag, just like group number, right?
Okay.
Sequence number.
Sequence hashtag. Oh, okay. Oh, sequence number. Okay, and then.
Bytes. BYTES.
Bytes.
Space. From VDOLA log.
That's it.
Yeah.
Is it? Select group number.
Yeah. Enter. Okay. Yeah. Okay. You can see that from here. You can see that one is okay. You don't really need sequence number if you want, and you don't need bytes. But here we are able to know the size. So you don't need sequence number if you don't want to put it, but you definitely need group, status, and bytes at least,
okay,
right?
Group, status, and bytes, yes.
So you can see that right now, you have 2 active groups, and 1, I can see, the other one is what, current?
Inactive, current, and 2 inactive.
And the other one is current, so you don't have an active one.
Yes.
So you can drop group 1 and group 2 because they are inactive, right?
Yes. Okay, so I need to drop them?
You can,
okay.
But wait.
All right.
Okay, so what is it? It's saying that multiplex the Redulog files in Florida, 4 Redulog files per group, resize them to 18 megabytes. Okay, so you can see that right now the size is, I think 52 megabytes.
Yeah, 52.
It's 52, so you want to resize them to 18. And you see that you only have 1 member per group.
Yes.
And you want to change that to 4 members per group.
4 members per group, okay.
So you need to add 3 new members.
All right, per group,
Yes.
All right, so
So the SQL statement for that is alter database.
alter database.
First, you need to drop group 1. I'm sorry.
Okay.
My bad.
So what's the command for that?
Because you want to resize.
Need to drop.
You want to resize it. Alter database, drop log file group 2. You can only drop when it's inactive. You cannot drop when it's active. Okay.
So we're
Alter
at 1 and 3.
database. Yes, you can only drop 1 or 3. Okay. Alter database, drop log file group 1.
Log file group space 1, right?
Yes.
Okay. Go ahead. Enter.
Enter. Yeah.
Okay. So I
Now,
do the same thing for group 3.
no. You can only have 2 minimum of groups. You cannot have only 1 group.
That's fine.
Okay. So exclamation mark. Space RM. Now you have to remove that file, right? You have to remove reduce1.log that you can see up there, right? So you need to remove that. Or a data.
Or
Yeah.
data, yeah, right.
Yeah, you can copy that and just remove it. So that you remove the group.
That's it, right?
Yes. Okay. Now you see the select group status sequence. Copy that again and enter it. Copy that again and paste it.
Nice, 2.
Okay, now you see you only have 2, right?
Yes.
2 and 3. Now you're going to go back and add group 1. Alter database. Add.
Okay.
Log file. Group 1. Group 1.
Log file group 1.
Space. Open strings.
Oh, open string. Okay.
/ aura data.
Redo 1.
Florida, yeah, reduce 01 if you want. You can please reduce 01.log. Size 18 megabyte. I think it's 18.
Size 18, huh?
Yes.
18 megabyte. Okay. That's it?
No. You need to add the 3 other members.
Oh, I need to keep adding. Okay. So, comma.
Yes.
So, I just put the
After
members.
that, alter database.
I put the string again and then the member.
Yes, you keep adding. Now you add / aura data / Florida / the same but reduce 02.
Okay. CO2 that's log size same size, right?
Yes, 18 megabyte. No. It's the wrong name. You cannot call it reduce 02.
Oh,
Remember,
you're right. That's right. Yeah,
you
that's
already
right.
have
Ouch.
reduce 02.log. So you
Yeah,
need to call it
0111.
01A or 01.
Yeah, 01A. I think 01A. You're right. Ouch. Come on. It's freezing up on me. It's freezing up on me, eh? Oops. Okay, that's fine.
But we also have like reduce 02, right?
Yeah,
that's
that's
what she
why
was saying. That's what
it
she's saying.
cannot be reduce 02.
Exactly. Okay.
So alter database, add log file group 1, open string.
Reduce 01.log, size 18 megabyte.
Size 8 megabyte, comma. Did I take the string? Okay.
Now semicolon, enter.
Oh, I need to add the other one, right? Like a with over 3 files.
No, I don't think it's gonna work.
Oh, so I just do the one for now?
Okay, the thing is, since the first one was 52 megabyte, so we first need to resize all of it.
Okay.
But try that,
But
honestly.
because we deleted it, now we're adding a new group.
Yeah, you can add members without deleting it if you don't need to resize it, right? So because we needed to resize it, that's why we needed to drop it.
Okay.
Does it make sense? Only because we needed to resize. If we didn't need to resize it, then we would just have added new members.
Okay, so the rule is because we have to resize, we have to drop it.
Yes.
Okay, so I just okay, so I'm gonna stick to the first one.
Yes, only do the first one.
Okay. All right, that's it, right?
Yes, enter.
Okay.
Now after that, you do alter database, add log file member. Now you add the second member. Yeah, that's why it's good to have scripts for that one.
Okay.
Alter database, add
log
file member. Log file space member.
Space.
Yes, and that's when you do like open string or data. You do the same, but 01.
But I didn't specify the group here.
You will specify it at the end. Don't worry.
Oh, it's at the end. Okay. All right. So member. Now I do the. 1A. Oh.
Yeah, 1A.log. Okay, yeah.
Size?
2. No, you don't need to add the size because the size is already.
The size is of the whole group.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now you put 2 group 1. 2 group 1.
Number 2 or 2? 2
no,
like this?
2. Yeah. 2 space group 1.
Oh, add to group 1. Okay. Gotcha.
Group doesn't have E. It's.
Oh, I'm sorry, French.
It's in English.
That's a group 1. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Now you do the same thing for the other 3. That no, for the other 2 that you need to add. Reduce 01 that B, reduce 01 C. Don't put reduce 02 because reduce 02 already belongs to the group 2.
Yes.
Okay.
Remember that. ABC. Group 1. All right, so that's done. Should I copy the script first or?
Yeah, copy it. Make sure you copy
and
copy that.
Select group. So this and then we did.
Make sure you copy.
Okay, Emma, I have a question.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so if we actually have the 3 lines, inactive, active, and current, right? Since for him, we actually have two inactive.
Yes.
So if for some people we have current and inactive.
You drop the inactive one. You can only drop if it's inactive.
Okay, only drop this. Thank you.
And if you don't have any inactive, then you ultra system switch log file. Okay, but don't worry, guys. We'll see that. We'll see that.
Other question.
Yeah.
For this one, you not ask us to multiply the group 2. If there's some question so for one take 2, we ask it to multiply the group and the number. Before to do that.
That's what we are doing. We are multiplexing, right? That's what we are doing. We resize the Redulog file, group 1, and then we just multiplex it. Now, instead of 1 file, we have 4 Redulog file members, right? We have 4 members instead of 1, so we did multiplex the Redulog files. Okay, go ahead. Copy. Unless that wasn't your question.
Emily, I have a question.
Go ahead.
Are we gonna multiplex the current?
No, you can only multiplex if you don't need to resize. But you will always need to resize in DB1 anyway. So you have to switch, drop it. Anyway, you'd have to drop all of them. Basically.
All right, so you have to drop all of them before you can multiplex them.
Yeah, because you have to resize it. If you didn't have to resize it, you would just copy from the first one, just add new members. But since you have to multiplex it, right? And you have to resize it, you go from 52 megabytes to 18. So of course you have to drop it and create, change the size.
All right. So so we done multiplexing the first group.
We just multiplex the first group.
Yeah, we know. I said we don't doing that now. We have to do group 3, right?
Yeah. Now what you want to do is every time select group number, sequence number, bytes archive from VDOLA-log, and then you can do, or you can just do select all from VDOLA-log. Try select all from VDOLA-log to see if those VDOLA-log file were actually multiplexed.
So select all from VDOLA-log, right?
Yeah, VDOLA-log file. Paste it. Okay, now you can see that we do have four members for the group 1 and the size. Now what you want to do is select group number, sequence number, status from VDOLA-log. That one would allow us to see which one is active and which one is inactive, and to see which one we should drop.
So select group status sequence byte from VDOLA-log.
Yes. I hope you're editing your script at the same time.
Oh, I did the first. Yeah, I just need to do the first 2.
Yeah, because that step, that select group number, you have to do it every time.
All the time. Okay.
Yeah, to make sure that you're not trying to drop something that's current or.
All right. So select these 2 command again. Okay. All right.
Okay,
so
now you want to group 3.
Group 3.
Yes. Don't forget, because it says in use, it means that it hasn't been used yet, but it's going to be used. Okay.
So group 3.
Group 3, you need to drop group 3. After database drop log file group 3, and you can also do the RM just reduce 03. You can just edit those 2 and just copy and paste it directly.
Copy those 2 at the same time?
Yeah. But you first need to edit it, right?
Yeah, I'm going
to.
Okay. So it's going to be move log 3, right? Okay. Cool. Okay, so it's gone. Hello? Hello? Emerald? Hello?
The White House where U.S. President Donald Trump told in his daily press briefing on the coronavirus pandemic.
Okay, so I need to do the same thing again.
All Americans
I did on group 3.
He's a great gentleman and great leader, and he's, you know, he went to the hospital today, but I'm hopeful and sure that he's going to be fine. He's a strong man, strong person. Today, every
What the fuck is that?
solidarity with the incredible people of New York and New Jersey. They've really become a very high.
Hello, someone got his radio on, eh?
What's that?
New York, this time where deaths were less.
Can you just mute or
Baka,
something?
come on,
You
guys.
have to teach you where to.
Ah,
And
The host can just mute him.
yeah, yes, I did.
He doesn't know where to meet.
but perhaps decrease.
I'll mute you now.
Governor Cuomo and
Okay. All right. So next step is this one. We did this one. We did the alter database add log file group 3.
Abdullah.
Yes.
Yes,
Hello?
wait for her because you will have to do like a log switch. If the other one is current, you cannot drop it if it's current.
Okay. So I can go ahead and finish up with the.
Yeah, but we're not done with the group 3 yet now.
Yeah,
let her come back.
Yeah,
You
but
don't want
let's
me to.
finish with the group 3. Just finish with the group 3.
Since it's a repeat of what we did for group 1, I'm just gonna repeat that. I got the script.
Exactly. That's good. You see? Now it becomes easy, right?
Yes. I don't know if this went through, but I'm just gonna type enter. Okay.
It went through.
All right, and then that's it. I need to confirm.
Now you go back to select group numbers, status, sequence number, bytes from video log.
Just to confirm, right?
No, to actually see which one is active. But you can do select all from video log file, but you know that it was because
that's too long.
Yeah.
Should I do okay? All right, bingo.
Okay.
So 3, 1, and 3 are
okay. Now what you want to do is alter system switch log file.
Alter
system switch log file.
Space, right? Log.
Yeah, space log file. One log file. It's one word.
Log file.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yes, semicolon. Enter.
Okay. What does this command do?
It switches the log. The log is that's being written to. Now copy.
Okay. So
the
it forces
group.
Instead of current, it switches current from current, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Now select group number again. Run the same. It should be different.
Okay.
Okay, now you see that group 1 is now current. Group 2 is now active, you see, and group 3 is unused. Now what you want to do is alter system switch log file again so that group 2 will become inactive.
So when I make group 2, inactive.
We want group 2 to become inactive because you want to drop it.
Okay.
So you switch log file again.
Okay, and then
Now you want to do select group number. Yeah. Enter. Okay. Now you want to do that again. Switch the log file again until you keep doing that until group 2 becomes inactive.
oh, until group 2 becomes inactive. Okay.
Yes.
So there's no way we can point to it specifically and tell it to be inactive.
No.
Okay. So you need
I
to
mean,
alter.
maybe, but not that I know of.
Okay.
Emerald,
Yes.
have you heard of the command Alter System Checkpoint Global?
Yes.
And that might not help.
Why would it help? Checkpoint global is to do a checkpoint of all the regular control files, right? So it's different here. Here we want to switch the log files. Okay, go ahead. Select group.
It says.
Okay, now group 1 and group 3. Now continue. Do the same thing. Alter system switch log file.
I guess I should run both of them at the same time. Right? Let me do that.
Yes, go ahead. The group 2 will definitely become inactive.
I need to copy that here somewhere. I didn't copy that before. Alter system set log file and then select group number.
Go ahead.
Paste. Actually, and then this one, copy that again. Ah, come on. Oh, it didn't display. I need to do enter or what? Oh yeah, I need to do enter. Okay.
Okay, now group 2 is inactive. Now you can drop
Yes.
group 2.
All right, so I can drop group 2 now.
Yeah.
A minute, what is that? Okay, I'll try.
Okay, now you can just add it.
Did I just do here now? I did Ellen select. Okay.
Also,
yes.
The other way to force a log switch is alter system archive log current. So this alter system switch log file and alter system archive log current.
Alter system.
But usually alter system switch log file is fine.
Okay.
So it's either one, either way. Yeah.
All right, so here we go. They're all the same size now.
Yeah.
So it's done.
Okay, good. So you're good. Now select all from VDollar log file. to view it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
I did it.
that's good.
To invalid. Invalid online. What does that mean?
Go up.
Okay.
Go up.
Now here, this is a comment I typed, right?
Because it's unused, it hasn't been used yet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So, do log. So you got a group number, status, and type. Two, one, three, three. Oh, it's not in order. It's not in order. Okay, I see.
Yeah, it's not.
So the best way to view is the other command.
Yes. No, the other command, you cannot see the name of the data file specifically.
Oh.
But here it's good. If you want to, for example, go back to PuDI, actual system log switch, you'll see that the group 2 won't be unused anymore.
Okay. You want me to type that?
Yes.
Say alter system switch.
Alter system switch log file.
Okay. And then after that.
Okay, now select group number again.
Oh, select group number again. Okay.
Yeah, that's good. The group 2 shouldn't be unused anymore. Select group number.
Active, current, inactive. Oh, yeah, that's good. All right. So this is exactly I want it to look like.
Okay. Good. That's good. Active, current, inactive. That's good.
Yeah.
And if you do again, select all from $, log file, you see that all of them are being used. None of them would be.
So select all from $.
Yeah. You can type it.
Seems to be faster when you copy it. Okay.
Yeah, I know. You
Oh,
see
okay.
now
Online,
it doesn't
online.
say online, right? It
They're
is
all
online, right? Yes.
Okay. All right. This is a little. I have to do this. Okay.
Okay, so that's how you do
Multiplexing.
multiplex the radio log files. There is
Now.
another way. For example, sometimes instead of alter system switch log file, you can also do alter system archive log current. You can also do that.
Should we try that, or?
Usually we do archive system switch log file.
Okay.
You can do both if you want.
Which one is better or faster or easier?
Alter system archive log current would archive the current, the group that's being currently that's current, right?
Okay. Oh, okay. So to step. Okay. I hear that answer my other question. Okay. This question.
And
if
alter system switch log file, yes.
Okay. Should I write that command? You say alter.
Yeah, write that somewhere. Alter system archive log current.
Alter system. Say archive.
Log current.
Archive log is one word, right?
No, it's 2 words.
Log current. Current. That's it.
Okay, good.
And this is a SQL statement, right?
Yes. Yes. And checkpoint takes place for both. Checkpoint takes place for archive, alter system, archive log current, And checkpoint also takes place for alter system switch log file.
Okay.
All right. Okay.
Okay, so this will what do you call it?
But alter system switch log file is the fastest.
Okay.
Okay.
Can also be used.
It can also be used, but alter system switch log file is the fastest.
Okay.
Okay.
The command input command mode. Okay.
Okay. And make sure you put that alter system switch log file is the fastest.
Oh.
Okay.
Alter
System switch log file is the fastest.
Okay. All right.
Okay. Good.
This is just the command.
Now we're good with multiplexing. Are we good with multiplex? Anyway, people will just go and see the video. I want us to finish with the parameters first, and then we come back next time.
Okay, so what's next?
Okay, set open underscore cursors parameter to 290. That one, there are two ways to do it. Okay, I want us to do question 7, 8, and 9 at the same time.
Okay.
Okay, the first is open cursor, set the open cursor parameter to 290. You can do that by directly going to the P file and edit it from there, or you can just do it from your
SQL.
from your SQL.
SQL. Okay.
Exactly.
All right. So which one do you do? We do can we see it in the P file first, and then after we do the SQL, or should we do?
Let's start with the P file.
Okay. So exit.
Yes.
Okay, I mean the P file.
Okay.
Where is it located?
Go down. Do you see the open cursors parameter?
Yeah, I see at the bottom.
Okay. You
Open
change
cursor.
it. You
Right
change it from like it's 300. You change it to
what is
it's 200, 290.
290. Okay. All right. So we see this is where we can change it. But this is easy.
Yes.
So
yes.
we go back to the SQL statement, right?
No, wait, there is another one. It also says sometimes to change the processes to say and you do that here too. It's
Which
the same.
process at the bottom. Yeah, we did that in class before. Okay.
Yes. Also, undo retention time too is a parameter.
Undo retention time.
Yes.
Undo retention time. I don't see that here.
It's not there, but you can add it.
Oh, you can add.
It's undo underscore retention equals for example 1800 or something. You can just add it. You can just put star dot undo underscore retention and then you put
Can we do it here like we add a smaller amount and then on the SQL we put the correct value?
What did you say?
I say can you practice on it here, the undo retention?
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, insert. Okay, and so we go at the bottom.
Yeah, go to the next line.
All right, so star
dot
and then undo retention.
Undo
underscore
retention equals.
Okay. What's that one?
We can put 1000 or 1800.
The exercise. I mean the homework. Say what?
Yes, but we will do it.
Okay.
We'll do it differently, right? So
yes. So I put 1000.
Yes.
1000. Okay. All right. That's it. That's it, right?
Yes, that's it.
The retention. Okay. Escape.
Make sure you
Save.
save it.
Save. Okay.
So here we change 2 parameters or even 3 parameters.
Yeah. Now if I go to the SQL.
Yeah, connect to SQL.
Okay. Now the first one. Do I need to put that in the create a script for that too or no?
Hmm?
Do I need to put that in my script?
Yes. When we do it manually, it's better. But
Okay.
that's
Just to remember the comment.
yeah. I just wanted to see you that. You do show parameter. Wait. Create SP file from P. Shut down immediate.
Shut down before creating.
Yeah. Shut down immediate. Create SP file from P file. Create SP file from P file. Okay, now start up.
All right.
Now you issue show parameter undo underscore retention.
Okay.
You see, it's 1,000, right? This is what we put, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now for the other one, it's show parameter open underscore cursors.
Amen. That was the third one, right?
You see, 300, right?
Yes.
Now what you're going to do is first change the open cursors.
Okay.
So alter system, set open underscore cursors.
It's what cursor, right?
Curse with O.
Yeah. I mean, it's not
Cursors.
fluorescing. Okay.
Yeah. Equals.
Space. So.
Equals 290.
290.
Yes.
Okay.
Scope equals.
Oh,
both.
I'm sorry. Phew. I didn't put scope. Illegal option for alter system.
Yes. The scope equals both.
I'm getting the same error.
You should have S. You should have S by the cursors. There should be S right
It's
there.
cursors plural. Yeah.
Okay, that's what I was meant to ask. Thank you. But when I put open show parameter open cursor, I didn't put S. It worked.
Yes, that's to view. That's just to view it, but it's different. It's open cursors.
So scope.
Scope equals both.
Okay, system altered.
Now you do run again. Show parameter open underscore cursor.
It's cursors, right?
Yes. No. No S.
When you show, okay.
Oh, you wrote cursors. It's cursor.
No S?
Yes.
Actually, I could have put S. Okay, I see.
It's not, you see. Now what you want to do is alter the next one, the undo retention, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alter system set undo retention to, it says 58 minutes. So 58 times 60.
6 seconds. C'est...
It's
Come on.
3,480.
80.
Yes. Let's go both.
System altered.
Okay. Show parameter undo underscore retention.
Yep, it's there.
Okay. Now you want to put the last next question says set undo retention guarantee. So you want to alter table space undo TBS1 retention guarantee.
Altered table
space.
Uh-huh.
Undo TBS1.
And do all one word, right?
Yes. That's the name of your
TBS1
table space. Yes. Retention guarantee. Retention space guarantee.
Guarantee, that's right.
Yes. ANTEE. EE.
Oh, guarantee, yeah. That's it?
Yes.
Alter table space and do TBS1 retention guarantee. Okay. Okay, table space altered.
Okay, now create P file from SP file.
File created.
Yes. Now to check the status, if it's in retention guarantee status, you put select table space underscore name. Select table space underscore name.
Table space underscore name.
Comma retention. From DBA underscore table spaces.
DBA underscore table spaces.
Yes.
That's it, right?
Yes.
Right? Okay.
Yes.
I got a question.
Sure. Okay, now you can see that your undo TBS1 is in retention guarantee, right? Right?
Yeah. I'm sorry, say that again. Retention.
You can see that retention. The other one say not apply, but for undo TBS1, it's
guarantee, yeah.
Guarantee, right? That's how you check for that one.
Yeah. Okay.
So establish a client connection to Florida is easy. You go to command prompt.
Exit.
No,
I'm sorry?
you can stay there. Go to command prompt.
Yes.
This is at question 10 now, and we stop here for now.
Oh, you say command prompt?
You need to make sure you write those scripts down, though. I hope you did write them down.
No, I didn't. I wasn't actually. So I feel I can copy this whole screen.
Okay, if you can, it's good. If you can copy the whole screen, it's good. So you can work on those scripts, because after that you just copy and paste, and you're out.
Okay, let's create a text file. Text. Come on, you come here or not? Let's take it on. Hey, what's going on here? I think text is not opening. Okay.
Hey, Datu. I should talk.
Did someone call me?
Yeah, on a rangé ton database là.
No.
Et pense que le meeting finit déjà, il fallait Tu as d'abord proposé.
Yeah, she started, but it's not totally fixed. We started with that.
Okay.
Okay, just wanted to know.
Yeah, we started with that way. It's not totally fixed.
All right. So I'm sorry, Emerald. I'm sorry.
No.
Hello, Emerald.
Okay, let's go ahead to question 10.
Yeah, you
Question
said
10 is
command prompt.
command prompt. Yeah, go to command prompt. Command prompt.
Okay.
Florida. I mean, TNS ping, Florida.
Just like that.
Yeah. Enter.
Fail to resolve name.
Okay, what you need to do is
My TNS.
yeah, in your go to your TNS, your WinSCP.
Okay, how do I go in then?
User one.
App.
DB,
Excuse me, Emerald.
Product.
Product 11.
11.
Yes. Network.
Network. Yes, network.
Excuse me, Emerald. This is what I was trying to. That's what I was trying to explain at the beginning of the class. That those databases, their TNS names don't read directly. They need to put them.
Yeah. Okay. What am I doing here? TNS. Huh?
Admin.
I'm sorry.
Admin.
Alright. So my TNS here, right?
Yeah, double click.
Yeah, go ahead.
Florida is here.
Okay, copy that Florida. Copy all the way. Copy. Just copy that. That's it. Copy.
Yep, it's copied.
Okay. Now go to your disk on your computer.
Exit. You see on my computer?
Yes,
on the desktop?
on your computer.
On the desktop?
Yeah, on the desktop. Yes. Go to the desktop.
Okay. Oh, come on.
That's how you do that. Okay, from here, click on desktop.
Okay. Just creative.
No. From your desktop, you should have.
Oh, you mean from WinSCP?
It's where you
I'll go on the
save the
WinSCP file.
client. Do you
Go
remember where
down.
you save the
On the
client?
WinSCP file. On the WinSCP file side, right?
No. On your computer.
Okay. On my computer, yeah.
Where did you install your Clear? It's not in your on your
I think it was
desktop.
in C drive that we installed it in class.
Oh, yeah, it was.
He just have to go and find his username and where he saved his client information. That's where he will put it. That's why I put mine anyway, and it works.
It was on the C drive, right?
Yeah, so it should be there.
C drive, app. You keep on going. Basically the same path.
What am I doing? Not that. Local disk. Okay.
Yeah.
It's in C drive or
app?
Yeah,
okay,
app.
Yeah, that's you.
Yeah, that's where you just keep going.
Okay, that's good. Go going.
And then we
go to product.
Go to product.
Okay, 11, same way.
11, that too. Yeah.
Client. Okay, and then network.
Yep.
Yes, you find network.
And then admin.
Admin, yes.
Okay, TNS names.
There you go.
TNS name, put it outside of your database. Of your.
Oh man, I got some other.
There.
I have some other ones missing here.
No, you need to exit, close the screen. You cannot edit it from there.
Oh,
you cannot edit from there. You need to take it
Abdul,
outside.
you have to copy it or it will not work.
Yeah,
take it outside. Put it on your desktop.
Take this one outside, right?
Yes. Take this to your desktop.
Let's see, you'll need to provide me to yes, continue.
Yes. Did you move it to your desktop? Okay.
It's moving. Okay. All right. So it's on the, oh shoot, what's the name again? TNS? TNS.
Okay, now on your desktop, open that file.
Go to the desktop. It's a TNS name, right? There we go.
Yes.
All right.
Okay, now go down. Okay.
Paste.
And then you paste it.
Oh, I need space here.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Okay, save it and then bring it back to the location.
Save. Now I need to locate it. The desktop. Sure. Got so many things open. All right, open another. Desktop. Okay, right here. It's on the desktop, and then I need to bring it to.
Abdu, go to your actual desktop on your computer where you can see.
Bring it
Yeah, I see it right here. I see it.
Okay, now bring
You
it
just-
back. Normally it's better when it's on the desktop, like on your but okay.
Oh, I see what you mean. Okay, well, I can locate it, but I see it on the file thing. So I need to go back to my C drive.
Yeah, you have to locate it so that you can drag it, the same thing you did.
No, I'm gonna drag
on
it
the
from here.
opposite
I
way,
see it
yes.
right here. I see it right there on the left side. I just need to go back to my how do you call it? My C drive. Okay, right here.
Did you bring it back?
I'm bringing it back now.
Okay, to your local disk.
Okay, it's there. It's there. So if I understand, I need to do this from all my other databases, right? Emerald?
Technically, yes.
Okay. All right, so it's there. So I go back to the command prompt. Bingo, it worked. Hello? Emerald? Is she muted? Is she muted?
I left you like an idle business.
I'm sorry?
She's somewhere here.
Okay. All right.
Abdullah, your database is still open, right?
Yeah.
Can you please VI your init?
VI what? Init?
Yeah, the
Which
one
one?
from Florida.
Florida. You want from the Win SAP or you want to? Oh, from
No, from where you were working. Yeah.
From
Can
Putty?
you? Were you working on Pudi or BNC? Okay, Pudi. Can you VI the P file?
Yeah.
Please.
Oh shoot! Accept. Oh, I need to go. I'm in DBS. Yeah, I'm right there. Init Florida, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Here we go.
Okay.
So you see, undo table space. Retention time is changed. You see it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Open cursor 290. What else you wanted to say? That's good?
Okay. Yeah, that's good. Thank you.
All right, exit. Do not save.
So it worked?
Yeah, it worked. And let me bring it back. See?
Okay, good. So that's how. So we did from 1 to 10.
Okay. I'm sorry, say from 1 to what? 1 to 10, the questions. Okay.
10, the questions.
All right.
You see that if you practice those scripts again and you do it, it should take you less than maybe max 1 hour, right? To do the first 10 questions, even less, right?
Yes.
So that's why it's good to practice. And after practicing, you save your scripts because you're sure of them because you've practiced them.
Yes.
Emerald.
I got a question. I was asking.
What's the question?
I was asked to ask you a question long time ago. Why was it just alter the renew retention and this you parameter process? I saw you put both, but while you finish, you create the SP file from P file. Why you do that?
You mean P file from
Yes,
which one? Because we did it 2 different ways. Right? We did it first in the P file and then we altered the system directly in the database. Which one are you talking about?
I talk about the alter system database.
Okay, then we create P file from SP file, right?
Yes,
because the changes are already made to the SP file.
But I say, why you make the comment, you put scope equal both.
Yes.
That's why I mean it changed the 2 parties.
Yes, we scope both.
It changed the memory and the SP file. But why you try to do command create the SP file from P file? That's why.
No, the command was create P file from SP file.
Or the P file for SP file.
Yes. The command was create a P file from SP file because the changes were made to the SP file already. But the P file is still the same it was before. So we needed to change that too. Yeah.
All right, so we're good?
Yeah, we're good.
All right, thank you so much. I'm gonna share my screen and I'll send the screenshot of the my editor to the group in a second.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Send it to one of the people from the evening class as well.
I was gonna put in the whole class. Oh, the evening class have a different. I don't know where.
Yeah, the evening class has a different. You just send it to Zoe. Zoe, we send it to Natalie. Or if you have Natalie's number, send it to Natalie.
No, I'll send it to Zoe.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
Share.
So we.
So are we done for today, Emerald?
Yeah, we're done for today.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Emerald. Thank you so much.
The TS spin that we did this last one that we did, was that all for question 10?
What's it what?
Was that all for question 10?